we have the Makita BOGO deals at Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, Macbook to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Yeah, guys, we got a $119 starter kit. It's pretty much, this is the battery and the charger. Looks like it's a standard charger. Yeah, well, it might be the fast charger. Yeah, I think it's the fast charger. You do get a 4 amp hour battery with the starter kit. So what you do on this one, in order for you to get the deal, basically, you go here to the free gift with purchase. And then here, you're going to select all the tools that you can. Obviously, if you want to get this cheaper, you want to select the most expensive tool, which is the oscillating tool. I'm actually thinking of what the price is in this on this shears here. But yeah, you guys could get the sander. This is the 5-inch orbital sander. You guys could get the cordless blower for $119. You could get the inflator. That's a really nice tool to have. Inflator. You can get the spotlight LED light. You can get the one-handed reciprocating saw, the compact. You can get the oscillating tool and the shears. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the shears in there. Alright, so see what this comes down to. Alright, I'm gonna have to take some stuff off. Alright, so it does come to $59, and this comes down to $59. So it's actually, they actually raised the price to $120. So they did raise the price up to $120 when this, when you add the tool. So my guess is just probably depending on the tool. Still a great deal for $60 each. That is a really good deal. All right, let's see if we can change it to, oh, actually it's $119. Yeah, so that's the price. Let's see if we can change the tool. Let's change it to the oscillating tool. That's probably what everybody wants to get. And go to cart. Yep, it's the same thing. This one goes up to $61, and this one goes down to $57. So $119, that's gonna be your outdoor price. Obviously, you can hack it. You can choose this one. If you want this tool and you don't want the battery, you can choose this to pick up at the store, like so. And then choose the store. And then this one you can choose to ship to home. And you can cancel it. Make sure you guys cancel it within like 5 minutes of ordering in your email. You'll receive an email, and then you can cancel it then. And then you can check it out. Guys, that's it for today. Just want to show you guys the Makita deals. They're up and live. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.